Are you looking to enhance your MK2 Ford Transit Custom? If so, you're in the right place. Introducing Transit Custom MK2 body kits by VanPimps. On our website you can find our Stealth, Stealth Plus, Eclipse and Vortex body kits covering short wheelbase, long wheelbase, twin door and tailgate models. Each component in our body kit is finished in gloss black, which complements any Transit Custom's colour and adds sleek looks from every angle. When purchasing one of our body kits you can save up to £90 versus buying the product individually. Behind me we have a short wheelbase twin door Transit Custom kitted out with our highest spec Vortex body kit. Let's run you through what's fitted as part of this kit. Our kits all provide a low-line sporty look, some with subtle enhancements and others with more aggressive angles. Here at VanPimps we have a variety of body kits available at different price points, starting from our most basic Stealth kit and up to our highest spec Vortex kit that we have here. If you're interested in levelling up your MK2 Transit Custom, head over to our website now, vanpimps.co.uk. If you have any questions, give us a call on 0116 441 7550.